Most people think of life insurance as a safety net. It's there to protect your loved ones if something happens to you. But life insurance can be so much more. It can be a powerful tool for building wealth. The wealthy have known this secret for years. They use life insurance to create legacies that last for generations. Now you can too. This guide will show you how to unlock the wealth-building potential of life insurance. We'll explore different types of policies, tax advantages, and strategies for maximizing your investment. Get ready to discover a whole new side to life insurance. It's time to build a secure financial future for yourself and your family. Before we dive into the exciting strategies, let's understand the basics. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay regular premiums, and in return, the insurer provides a death benefit to your beneficiaries upon your passing. This lump sum helps your loved ones cover expenses like mortgage payments, education costs, and daily living. But here's where it gets interesting. Some life insurance policies offer an additional savings component called cash value. This feature allows you to accumulate wealth over time, which you can access during your lifetime. We'll explore different policy types and their benefits in the following sections. Understanding these basics will empower you to make informed decisions about your financial future. There are two main types of life insurance to consider when planning for your future: term life and permanent life insurance. Each type has its own unique features and benefits that cater to different needs and financial goals. Term life insurance is like renting coverage for a specific period, say 10, 20, or 30 years. It's designed to provide financial protection during those years when you might need it the most. It's generally more affordable but doesn't offer cash value accumulation. This makes it an attractive option for those looking for cost-effective coverage without the need for an investment component. It's suitable for covering temporary needs, such as a mortgage, education expenses, or income replacement during your working years. Permanent life insurance, including whole life and universal life, provides lifelong coverage. This means that as long as you continue to pay the premiums, your beneficiaries will receive a death benefit no matter when you pass away. It also includes a savings component where you can build cash value on a tax-advantaged basis. This cash value grows over time and can be a valuable financial resource. This cash value can be borrowed against or withdrawn for various financial needs, such as funding a child's education, supplementing retirement income, or handling unexpected expenses. Choosing the right type depends on your individual circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance. It's important to assess your current financial situation, future needs, and how much you can afford to pay in premiums. We'll delve deeper into the benefits of permanent life insurance in the upcoming sections, helping you make an informed decision that aligns with your long-term financial planning. Now let's talk about how life insurance can be a powerful investment tool. Unlike traditional investment accounts, permanent life insurance offers tax-deferred growth. Your cash value grows tax-free, allowing your money to compound faster. Tax-free withdrawals. You can access your cash value through loans and withdrawals, often tax-free, and protection and growth. You get the benefit of life insurance coverage alongside wealth accumulation. While the returns may not be as high as some riskier investments, the safety, tax advantages, and guaranteed death benefit make it an attractive option for long-term financial goals. Section 5. The secret of the wealthy: infinite banking with life insurance. The wealthy have long understood the power of leveraging life insurance for financial growth. One strategy they use is called infinite banking. It involves using a high cash value, whole life insurance policy as a personal banking system. You can borrow against your policy's cash value and repay the loan with interest, essentially becoming your own bank. This strategy allows you to access funds quickly, control your cash flow, and potentially earn interest on your money while still benefiting from the death benefit. Section 6. Tax advantages: keeping more of your money. One of the most significant advantages of permanent life insurance is its favorable tax treatment. Here's how it can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Tax-deferred growth. Your cash value grows tax-free just like in a 401k or IRA until withdrawal. Tax-free death benefit. Your beneficiaries generally receive the death benefit tax-free, providing financial security without a tax burden. Potential tax-free loans. You can typically borrow against your cash value tax-free, providing tax-efficient access to funds. These tax advantages can significantly enhance your wealth-building potential over time. Section 7. Estate planning and liquidity, providing for your loved ones. Life insurance is an essential part of estate planning. It can help you cover estate taxes. A substantial death benefit can help your heirs cover potential estate taxes, ensuring a smooth transfer of wealth. Provide for your loved ones. The death benefit provides financial security for your family, covering expenses and maintaining their standard of living. Create a legacy. You can designate beneficiaries to receive the death benefit, ensuring your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Life insurance also provides liquidity, meaning your beneficiaries will have immediate access to funds when they need them most. This can be invaluable during a difficult time. Section 8. Building generational wealth. The power of permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance isn't just about protecting your loved ones today, it's about building a legacy for generations to come. This type of insurance offers a unique combination of lifelong coverage and a cash value component that grows over time. Unlike term life insurance, which only provides coverage for a specific period, permanent life insurance remains in force for your entire life, as long as premiums are paid. This means that not only are your loved ones protected, but you also have a financial tool that can be used in various ways throughout your life. The cash value you accumulate can be used for various purposes, such as paying off debts, funding major life events, or even as a source of emergency funds. This flexibility makes permanent life insurance a versatile financial instrument. Funding your children's education. You can withdraw or borrow against your policy to cover college costs without incurring penalties. This can be particularly beneficial as education costs continue to rise, providing a way to ensure your children have the opportunities they deserve without compromising your financial stability. Supplementing your retirement income. Access your cash value tax efficiently to supplement your retirement income and maintain your lifestyle. This can be a crucial aspect of your retirement planning, offering a reliable source of funds that can help you enjoy your golden years without financial stress. Leaving a legacy. The death benefit can be passed down to your heirs, creating generational wealth and securing their financial future. This ensures that your loved ones are taken care of, and your legacy lives on, providing them with the financial security to pursue their dreams and goals. By leveraging the power of permanent life insurance, you can create a lasting financial impact that benefits your family for years to come. This strategic approach not only safeguards your family's future, but also empowers them to build upon the foundation you've established, ensuring prosperity and stability for generations. Section 9. Getting started, securing your financial future. In this section, we will explore the essential steps you need to take to secure your financial future through the strategic use of life insurance. Life insurance is not just a safety net, it's a powerful tool that can help you build and protect your wealth over time. Ready to unlock the wealth-building potential of life insurance? It's more than just a policy, it's a cornerstone of a solid financial plan. By understanding and leveraging life insurance, you can ensure that your loved ones are protected and that your financial goals are met, even in the face of unexpected events. Here are some steps to get you started. These steps will guide you through the process of selecting the right life insurance policy and making the most of its benefits. Whether you're new to life insurance or looking to optimize your existing coverage, these tips will help you make informed decisions. 1. Assess your needs and goals. Start by evaluating your current financial situation and future objectives. Consider factors such as your income, debts, and the financial needs of your dependents. This assessment will help you determine the type and amount of coverage that best suits your circumstances. Determine your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the amount of coverage you need. Think about how much money your family would need to maintain their lifestyle if you were no longer around. This includes everyday expenses, long-term goals like college tuition, and any outstanding debts. 1. Consult a financial advisor. Seek guidance from a qualified financial advisor specializing in life insurance. An advisor can provide personalized recommendations based on your unique situation and help you navigate the complexities of different policy options. Seek guidance from a qualified financial advisor specializing in life insurance. They can help you understand the nuances of various policies, riders, and benefits, ensuring that you choose a plan that aligns with your long-term financial strategy. 1. Compare quotes from reputable insurers. Get quotes from multiple insurance companies to find the best policy for your needs. Comparing quotes allows you to see the range of options available and choose a policy that offers the best value for your money. Get quotes from multiple insurance companies to find the best policy for your needs. Look for insurers with strong financial ratings and positive customer reviews to ensure that you're choosing a reliable provider. 1. Choose the right policy and amount. Select a policy type and coverage amount that aligns with your financial plan. Consider whether a term life or whole life policy is more appropriate for your needs and ensure that the coverage amount is sufficient to meet your goals. Select a policy type and coverage amount that aligns with your financial plan. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, while whole life insurance offers lifelong protection and a cash value component. Choose the option that best fits your financial objectives. 1. Review your policy regularly. Life changes, review your policy periodically to ensure it still meets your needs. Major life events such as marriage, the birth of a child, or a significant change in income may necessitate adjustments to your coverage. Life changes, review your policy periodically to ensure it still meets your needs. Regular reviews with your financial advisor can help you stay on track and make any necessary updates to your policy. Taking these steps will empower you to make informed decisions and harness the power of life insurance for a secure financial future. By proactively managing your life insurance, you can provide peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones, knowing that you have a solid plan in place to protect your financial well-being.